News 90. This is Ananya. Breaking news coming from Bihar, Patna, where the police team was ambushed late night while trying to apprehend a suspect accused of electricity theft. Let's dive into the details. A shocking incident occurred in Patna, Bihar, late at night when a police team was attacked while attempting to arrest a suspect involved in electricity theft. The attack took place in Patliputra police station area where the police has detained the accused. However, a group of people intervened and freed the suspect from the police custody, helping him escape. This incident highlights the growing lawlessness in Bihar, with criminals becoming increasingly bold in the attacking law enforcement officers. The incident has raised serious questions about the state of law and order in the region, with concerns about the security of police personnel. The attack on the police team is seen as a direct challenge to the authority of the law. Local authorities are investigating the incident and are under pressure to restore confidence in the state's police force and ensure that such incidents do not occur again. That's all for now. Stay tuned and keep watching News 90. Hello and welcome to News 90. This is Ananya. India's parliament buzzed with the controversy as the Waqf Amendment Bill gains momentum, sparking heated debates across the nation. Let's dive into the details. There has been growing support for the controversial Waqf Amendment Bill, sparking intense debate in India. Many believe that the bill may never be forgiven by the Muslim community, with justice versus appeasement emerging as the central issue. Expectations are high that the bill will be presented in Parliament tomorrow. In the meantime, the BJP leadership has issued specific instructions to its MPs, but these directives are not related to the bill. Instead, they focus on the One Nation, One Election proposal regarding Hinduism. Some individuals are accused of distorting its ideology for political gain, and there is strong opposition to this. Kiran Rijiju, a BJP politician, has urged people not to spread any false rumors or misinformation about the Waqf issue. That's all for now. Stay tuned and keep watching News 90. Hello and welcome to News 90. This is Ananya. Tragedy struck in West Bengal, Pathar Patrima, where a gas cylinder explosion claimed the lives of many people. Let's have a look at the report. A gas cylinder explosion in Pathar Pratima, West Bengal, killed 7 people including 4 children and 2 women. Police suspect firecrackers stored inside the house caused the blaze. 7 people including 4 children and 2 women lost their lives in a gas cylinder explosion at a house in Pathar Pratima, located in West Bengal's South 24 Pargans district. On Monday night, a senior police officer confirmed the incident took place around 9 p.m. in Dholagath village of Pathar Pratima block. According to Sundarban Police District Superintendent Koteshwara Rao, all the bodies have been recovered and one injured woman has been rescued and admitted to the hospital. News agency PTI reported. Police suspect that there was 2 gas cylinders in the house and the blaze spread after firecrackers stored inside went up in flames. Rao told UPI. News agency PTI and IANS shared visuals from the site of the explosion, which was initially believed to be caused while making firecrackers. That's all for now. Stay tuned and keep watching News 90.